A high voltage short is trying to fry your engine's sensitive electronics. And if you do not act fast, it could lead to a very expensive repair bill and a car that barely stays running. When your scanner shows the code P2235, it means the powertrain control module has detected that the oxygen sensor signal circuit is shorted to the heater circuit on bank 2 sensor 2. This specific sensor is located behind the catalytic converter on the side of the engine that does not contain the number 1 cylinder, and its job is to monitor how well your exhaust is being cleaned. Oxygen sensors use a specialized zirconium element to produce a tiny voltage signal, usually less than 1 volt, to tell the computer how much oxygen is in the exhaust. However, to get that sensor working quickly when you first start your car on a cold morning, it has a separate 12-volt heater circuit built right into it. When the insulation on the wires melts or the sensor fails internally, that 12 volts of battery power can jump right into the sensitive signal line, which completely confuses the computer brain. You will notice a major drop in your fuel economy, and your engine might start stumbling or throwing other misfire and rich exhaust codes as the computer tries to make sense of the bad data. The most common causes are a simple defective sensor or a wiring harness that has been burnt or chafed against the hot exhaust pipes or the frame of the car. To fix this, you should start with a visual inspection of the harness for any obvious damage or disconnected plugs and replace any wiring that looks melted. If the wires look okay, start the engine and allow it to warm up to operating temperature while watching the live data on your scan tool. A healthy post-catalyst sensor should stay relatively stable between 1 and 900 millivolts, but if you see battery voltage or zero movement on the screen, you likely have an internal short. Use your digital multimeter at the sensor connector to check for 12 volts where it does not belong, and if you find it, then replacing the sensor is usually the final cure. If you are not comfortable working around a hot exhaust system or testing high voltage circuits, you should definitely take your vehicle to a professional shop to avoid damaging your PCM. Taking care of your sensors now ensures your car runs smooth and saves you a lot of money at the gas pump.